How to fix the code execution cannot be proceed because Gameinput.Dll failed to load in Fortnite. Now in this video, I'm going to show you two specific troubleshooting steps or fixes for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue while playing the game Fortnite. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to access your CMD or your command prompt via the search tab. Type in CMD. Now before opening it, make sure to run it as an administrator by just simply right clicking on CMD prompt and then choose on run this as an administrator. Now once you have it on hand, all I have to do is to type in this command. It's going to be dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. Now once you hit on enter keys on your keyboard, it's going to take up some time to be completed, around a minute or two. You just have to wait for it till it's done, and then once it is done, you just have to restart your PC and try to relaunch the game again. The next thing that you want to have to do is to replace the game input. Open up your preferred web browser and simply type in game input v3 and then choose on the releases from GitHub. So this is going to be the game input v3.3.195 release that you're going to have to download. Download this, and once you've successfully obtained the file, all you have to do is to go into your file manager or go into this PC and then go into your local disk, Windows, and then from here locate System32, and then from System32 search for the game input. Now once you're here, all I have to do is to rename the Gameinput.Dll that you have hit. So for example, this one. Just simply right click and choose on rename and then simply erase the message here that says inbox. So the remaining one should be Gameinput.Dll. Have it save, refresh the whole thing, restart your PC, and relaunch the game. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix the code execution cannot be proceed because Gameinput.Dll failed to load in Fortnite.